Multiply with no reducing. Jake has been treating a patient with constant back pain by using physical manipulation. Jake's patient is currently 2/3 through the treatment plan and has reported 2/10 of his pain being reduced at each visit. What is the fraction of pain that Jake's patient lost at each visit? So, we will need to identify what this question is asking us. So, this scenario is using the word of, which actually indicates to us that we need to multiply. To multiply fractions, multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So, to find our answer to this question that we have, we will need to multiply the two fractions together because we're using the word of here. Luckily, when multiplying, we can write down the numbers in the order that they appear in the scenario. So we have 2/3 times 2/10. So multiplying the numerators, 2 times 2 is 4. And then 3 times 10 is 30. So we have 4 out of 30 as our answer to Jake's patient for the pain that he has lost at each visit. So let's work through another example. Example 2. Kira has completed 3/11 of her physical manipulation therapies, and 5 out of the 60 minutes of these visits were focused on adjusting her lower spine region. Currently, what is the fraction of time spent adjusting her lower spine? So, once again, we know that we are going to be doing a multiplication because 3 of the 11s, so she's gone to 3 of her visits out of the 11 thus far. And then there's a certain amount of time that is being spent on her lower spine. So, to get to the answer of the total time that thus far that she has spent, we will need to multiply these two fractions together. So, 3 times 5 is 15, and we can multiply 11 times 60 is 660. So this is currently what the amount of time that's being spent on her lower spine. So, remember, when multiplying fractions, remember to multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. Also, a scenario that is asking you to multiply will commonly use the word of to indicate the need for multiplication.